Ayo tichida kutendai muri Zimbabwe nekuda kwesupport yamunotipa pano paSaint TV basa richienda mberi. Nhasi tiri muno muguta reHarare umo maiswa mutemo munyowani nevecity parking. Vecity parking vakasiyana nevecity council handiti vemunicipal police. So vecity parking vane mutemo wavo wekuti ukadelaya kubhadhara parking ne just a few minutes vari kubva vaclaimpa, and clamp yavo iri kubviswa ne $132. So ndo zvatoda kuti timbonzwa kuti mamotorist vari kuti kudii vari muno muguta reHarare, vari kufungeiwo nemutemo munyowani uyu. Tichimbonawo vamwewo vatombobatwa vakaisirwa maclamp vakatozosvika pavabhadhara mari iyi.
Nyaya yakatooma bhozi, vatongononoka kana ne 5 minutes ka mutosvika motikari yakaita seyakaclaimwa. Saka hey, dai paonekwa plan ipapo bhozi ama1 chacho.
Yeah, because maybe motorist ndimi mune mari yakawanda, because 132, what do you think actually ne 132 is $, and how much is parking per hour?
$1 per hour.
Alright.
Saka which means kuti kana vachida 132 ipeye munhu wese kayo. Ipeye mwedzi wese yanenge vachitoda. Saka pane pakashata. Yes, boss.
No, thank you very much.
Firstly, I feel like yes, it's okay for them to have a law enforcement and report. But I feel like when they are charging, I feel like my prices are reasonable, you know, considering we are in our country, it's not temporary TGS. Their parking fees are actually paid in other TGS. From a board power, why is it that they're not writing in USD? And now that they're now giving penalties in USD, and what does that mean for us? And also consider massive servants and all. Why don't they sit down, have a reasonable amount? Anyone can also because having a car does not mean you have made it in life. That's why my extra cars, so I feel like their price it's not really considerable, and it's traumatizing. It's really stressful. I did pay, like fixing, I did pay my parking. It's unfortunate to overlap for about 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
So where I am well aware if you don't usually usually overlap and they do have the system that they have, you dial star 192 and all that. I tried to access the system. I was actually my friend, and then the system was not going down. The Ningirikiri is kubatika system error. I ran to Tomanya Kunoko, to listen, this is just 8 minutes. It's not like I hadn't paid. So like in the previous required. So I think there should be a system. Maybe if it's going to be revised, maybe then they revise it. Maybe they give a specific time period, because there's a difference between an overlap and 30 minutes overlap and 1 minute overlap and an hour. You see. So I think if that could be revised, and also they revise the fees as well, and then we can start from there. But obviously it's something that's not really.
Penalty 8 minutes.
$132.
US.
Yes, not RTGS. It's United States dollars.
For 8 minutes penalty.
Yes. $132.
Yeah. It's hard.
It is. Yeah.
And I understand your frustration very well.
Of course.
Last week ndakatombotorwa motikari ikaenda futi mukati, and matogona matobhadhara was daenda uko.
We have no option, because once it gets towed, you're only given like a maximum of 2 hours. Once it gets towed, then it means you have another frustration, you charging fee, and the system is just, I think it's just it's frustrating. That's all I can say.
It is
frustrating. Yeah.
Kufamba nemotikari yakuita ungati mhosva.
My village people vanokubatira everything, but
I'm really sorry
yeah.
about this.
It's just unfortunate. Maybe today was just not my lucky day, but yeah. I think for the future papers, I don't think I think I'm not the only one, but I'm sure most motorists, I'm sure they're going to raise an awareness for this. This is something that is not acceptable. I feel like they should have terms that at least guys, you sure munazosvika pakuitwa ticket anenge unonzi 1 hour vale pane sikwerera nechizoti neganto nyaro pati pane mama situation I love just 8 minutes, and this I forked out 132. That's why my dates because it's not something that was planned.
Yeah.
Say, and you are forced to, because even if you don't, there's no way you're going to ignore this, because the amount is going to keep pumping and getting higher.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I don't know kuti munofungewo maZimbabweans ne new system iri muno muguta reHarare. My sister here ndakatobata ticket riri panapa. I think muri kuroona ticket iro rataisapo re$132 yatobhadharwa after vangodarikidza kukacheka ticket ravo nepavazoisirwa ride. It's only 8 minutes. What do you think? You are free to say what you want in the comment section.